Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ngingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing lights for the world to become better. Namusha, I want to respond to a comment. Someone in the comment section was like, Magaziwe, tell us why healers use water. Like, meaning why Abathandazi sisebenzisa amanzi, and then uthole probably traditional healers basebenzisa imithi and all of that. I would say it goes with ingelosi ohamba nayo isithunywa osebenza ngaso. I mean, ngumthandazi ngisebenzisa amanzi, and ingelosi engihamba nayo ingelosi yani yasemanzini. So because of I use water is life, guys. That is why they say we must drink water. Our body is made up of water. 80% of our body, or like 70% of our body, is made up of water. And we are bigger into zidinga amanzi. Plants need water, animals drink water, humans drink water. We use water for like a lot of things. So water is life. So amanzi ayi element yempilo and futhi anamandla. But njengoba sithunywa ke, ithunywa nezithunywa ziphiwe ngendlela ehlukile. Umuntu nesithunywa sakho siphiwe ngendlela esiphiwe ngayo. It's like traditional healers, they are told about imithi, bayafundiswa, bayalala, bayiboniswe imithi, obavuswe bahambe baye entabeni bayokha imithi, baboniswe nangendlela ekumele bahlanganise ngayo, and then bayenza amakhambi baphilisa abantu. Thina ke abantu abathandazayo, it's what has been stored within us. Lo moya ophila ngaphakathi kuthina, it's a very special spirit, umoya obanzi ojulile, amandla kamveli nqangi, that if Magaziwe prays, everything changes instantly. Meaning ngiphiwe ibhodlela lamanzi bese kuthiwa khulekisa leli bhodlela lamanzi, lo muntu awaphuza, khulekisa leli bhodlela lamanzi, umuntu ageze ngawo, khulekisa lokhu, khulekisa lokhu, khulekisa lokhu. Because with me, I've discovered a church, but at a very young age, I had visions where I was told to pray for people. My people came in visions and say, you need to pray for people. That's another way of you making a living, is praying for people, because of amandla ozalwa nawo, what was stored within you. You can pray and people's situation changes. Kwaqala ke enkonzweni, ngathandaza esontweni, pray for this lady, prayed. Then the next Sunday when this lady came back, kanti umuntu onengilosi phezulu wabuya nje washo ukuthi cha sis, ukungikhulekisa kwakho kungikhululile. And nami mangimkhulekisa, at that time I felt all sorts of energies. It's like whatever that I was praying for, again, it was like it's coming to me, which is what I experience with a lot of people here. Mang consulta, it's some people are breathtaking. They are just show more. But khona abanye abantu abafika bangakhuleki, bafike nje kufasile, uthi uyakhuleka, ucindezeleke now. So as a prayerful person, you need to stay strong also, uhlezi uqinile now as umuntu okhulekayo. So to answer the person who's asking why we use water is a source of life, amanzi ayaphilisa. But mawubheka abathandazi abaningi, what is stored within them, imfihlakalo, it's a mystery. uNkulunkulu usebenza ngemfihlakalo. That is why I normally ask people to pray and connect namandla wamaZulu, because of amandla that are very, very much unique. Akusuwana amandla womhlaba, amandla wasemazulwini, the heavens. If you just pray, because of God knows you and God has started something with you. So the minute you use your voice chakra to communicate your heart desires, ukhulume ngokujula, ukhulume uvule inhliziyo yakho, you are literally touching God. You're touching the heavens, because of God works with your heart. So nathi ke siyabantu abathandayo, asithandaze nje, sithandaza sijule, siphiwe umthandazo, because of God created us in a way that when we pray or when we speak to him, the communication is very much clear. Thank you so much for this question. Akubo ubumbano noswana nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.